Today we are making homemade chocolate pancakes. Doesn't that just roll off your tongue? Well, you got to stick around because we've got lots to show you, some great tips, and man, you know it's going to be delicious. And by the way, please support us on Patreon. So I'm Chef Dominic Mellon, and with our chocolate pancakes that we're making today, we are going to hook them up with some chocolate ganache. And by the way, it's going to be an easy recipe. And you just want to stick around because I am going to show you how to make this perfect. So listen, subscribe, please do that. Also, you got to tack our bell. You know, just cling, cling, cling. We love to hear that bell ring. And also, please, any comments you have on chocolate pancakes, some ideas, love to share them with you and to comment. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. So for our ingredients today, we're going to use 2 whole eggs. So I like to crack my eggs on a flat surface like that and just open them up. 1 and 2. See, when you crack them on a flat surface, you break the eggshell in 2. You don't have little shards running in and out of that, okay? And you definitely want to take the eggs and we want to beat them, get the yolks and the whites all going together right in there. Get them happy. All right, let's go ahead and put some vanilla in there. Yep. Get that going in there. We like vanilla. Melted butter. Whoa. I'm going to save a little bit in the bowl because I'm going to use that to grease my pans. And milk. Whole milk. Whoa. How easy is this? This beats anything that you're gonna get in a box. Trust me on that. Okay, let's mix our dry ingredients together. So I have here flour, all-purpose flour. Let's put into there some cocoa powder, okay? This is wonderful cocoa powder. Put that in there. Sugar, and of course, some baking powder. Let's mix those together with a tiny bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And mix them all up. So these are going to be darker pancakes when we make them, okay? They're going to be really chocolatey. And if you don't think it's going to be chocolate enough, I'm going to put some chocolate ganache on the top. Man, you're going to be in chocolate nirvana by the time this thing is done. All right, let's move this salt out of our way. And now we're going to mix the 2 ingredients together. Just go ahead and pour it in there. Get it all out. Get a little extra butter in there. Put that over here. Okay. So now if your batter is a little bit thin, you can add a little more flour. Or if it's a little thicker, you can certainly add a little bit more milk. You don't need to beat it a lot. If you're going to use an electric mixer, use your paddle. That works better. And of course, you got to be scraping down the sides of the bowl as you're going along. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's about the right viscosity. So we're going to let this set for 5 minutes. And while it's setting, I'm going to go ahead and put my pan on because I'm making pancakes. And I'm going to get it on a medium temperature, okay? And your pan necessarily has to be hot. You have to do that first, or else your pancakes are not going to come out like you want them to. Let's put our pancake batter in the pan, right there in the center. Swirl the pan around, okay? Swirl it around. And we'll let it cook for about 2 minutes. You'll start to see little bubbles just popping up around there. Those bubbles are coming right up. You can just see them now. They start at the edge and work their way towards the middle where the thicker part of the batter is just bubbling up. So let's go ahead and take a little peek around. See if it's ready. Oh, it's ready to flip. Okay, so what I usually do is just get my spatula underneath like this and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, perfecto. They're gonna be so, oh, you're gonna love, love, love these pancakes. Well, here they are, beautiful chocolate pancakes. They smell delicious, don't they? Yeah. This is Lori and Andrew. We're the team that's making all these things happen here. but we're gonna make these pancakes happen even more, if you can believe it. We're using our easy recipe, chocolate ganache. Oh my goodness, check this out. Chocolate ganache. Oh,
Yeah,
what?
Let's put some on there.
Let's get on there. Let's
Yeah.
make it happy. And as that pancakes are hot, the chocolate ganache is just melting. Oh, let's get some more there.
Oh yeah, definitely add some more. What do you think, Lauren?
Ooh.
We had some more chocolate.
Look at that, look at that. Well, yeah, we're gonna overdose on chocolate today, folks. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Oh, good. All right, let's hook this up a little bit more. I've got some powdered sugar here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let's put some powdered sugar on there, and just give it a little bit of a shot like this. Oh, but we're not done yet.
You're not done yet.
Not done yet.
What
Oh
do you
yeah.
got coming next?
We're going to take a strawberry. We're going to fan the strawberry just by making some slices from the top to the bottom, just like this, slice. And then just push them down like this. And that, oh, it's going to be beautiful. And going to be even more tasty. Hey, we've got a special offer for you because we know if you're going to support us by putting some comments in there, by hitting the subscribe button. Tell them what we got, Andrew.
So for every 50 subscribers we get, we're going to pick someone special in the comments. So let us know in the comments that you subscribed. We'll pick you out and we'll give you our email address to email us, and we'll send you this apron that we're wearing absolutely for free. Free shipping, anything. So we'll get it right to you.
We're going to personally thank you when you mention it in our comments, okay? So remember, when you support us on Patreon, you're going to get exclusive content. You're going to get early access behind the scenes that you definitely want to click into.
That's right.
And also no ads. So remember, all of our recipes are absolutely simple and delicious.
Wait a minute, everybody. We forgot one thing.
What?
What if we have a special guest with us today? Luigi.
Where's Luigi?
Where is
Luigi
he?
at?
Where is Luigi?
Oh my goodness.
Let me see. Here he is.
Well, there he is.
This is our little Chef Luigi.
That's right.
And you'll see him appearing in a lot of our videos, and he'll be in a different place just about every time. So if you'll help us, when you watch our videos, let us know where Luigi is.
Right, just put it in the comment files. That's right where you're going to get the recipe as well.
That's right. Let's try this.
All right, well, I need a fork and a knife, folks. Let's get these pancakes. Oh, they look so good. Look at that chocolate sauce.
Nice and moist.
Wow.
Oh, they are moist.
Tender.
These are the best pancakes ever. All right, let's dig in.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Get into it. Get that chocolate ganache on them.
Chocolate cake.
There. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are so good.
I'm getting some more.
Dig in, yeah. Oh,
man.
you gotta get this
These are
recipe.
great. You're gonna love them.
You're gonna love them every bite. There might not be any to share.
You even got them on your apron.
Yeah, that's the way I do it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.
Thank you.